Namaste Coders. I hope you are fine, doing well in your life. So today is 5th March and we are gonna solve today's problem of the day over LeetCode. So before starting this problem, let me tell you that this problem is a part of LeetCode problem of the day series in which we are committed to solve LeetCode daily problem, right? Along with this LeetCode problem of the day series, we have also started the video series in which we are gonna solve the LeetCode 75. So these 75 problems are the most important problem for your interviews for any company, right? So these are the most important TSA problems of every topic till monotonic stack, intervals, try, bit manipulation, DP, graph, everything. So we are gonna solve those problems as well in the different video series. So I will share the playlist with you on the description, right? One more thing, along with these videos I have also created a WhatsApp group in which we can connect with the different coders of the world, right? So if you want to get connected with different part of the world, you can join that WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description box. So in the WhatsApp group we can do multiple things, like we can discuss multiple problems, we can solve each other's doubts. Along with this we can also start some good project for resumes, for freelancing work, etc, right? So if you want, you can join the group. It's completely free. So let's begin with the problem. So okay, so the problem is count total number of colored cell. So there exists an let me first remove the solution. I have solved this problem actually. So there exists an infinite large two-dimension grid of colored unit cell. You are given a positive integer n, indicating that you must do the following routine for n minutes. Okay, first of all, there is an infinitely large two-dimensional grid, right? To focus on this, and in the n minute, what we can do at the first minute, color any attribute units cell blue. Okay, so we have to, so let's say we have a infinitely large sheet in which there is a grid, right? And in the first attempt, what we can do, we can color any of the cell. Let's say we are coloring this. Okay, so this is now blue. Okay, in the next attempt, every minute thereafter, color color blue each uncolored cell that is just the blue cell. Okay, so we have to color all the neighbor cells, right? Seems like a graph problem, right? But not, it's not a graph problem, it's a simple math. So this is n equals to 1, in which we have colored one cell. Then at n equals to 2, in the second minute, we'll color all the 4 cells covering the first cell, right? At n equals to 3, we'll cover this cell, this cell, this cell. We'll cover this cell and this cell. Okay, so that's how we are gonna we'll have to solve this problem. Okay, so what can we do here? Is it a graph problem? Is it a DP problem? Is it a math problem? So let's see. Okay. Oh, so as you can see, whenever we are at whenever we are traveling from n plus 1, right? What we have to do? We have a width. Okay, we have to add. So there are 3. The length of the pattern is 3 right now, right? Then we have to add 3 cells up. These 3 cells, we have to add 3 cells down and 2 extra cells. Okay, to the previous cell, right? So let's say we have k cells, okay, and the width is at n we have k cells and width is, let's say, L. So what we have to do, we have to add 2 L cells plus 2. So our n at n plus 1, we will have total k plus 2L plus 2. Okay, can we formalize it? So we can say that also at any n the width will be, at any n, right, the width will be, this is 2, so this is 1, this is 3, this is 5. So this is the pattern of odd numbers. So at any n the width will be 2n plus 1. This is the simple odd formula, right? So this is the first thing. Dusra, at fx, okay, what we have to do, we have to add the previous x, the previous cells. So this is fx minus 1 plus 2 into, what is this, L? L is nothing, so this is not plus 1, this is 2x minus 1, right? For 1 it is 1, for 2 n equals to 2 it is 3, for n equals to 3 it is 5, right? And so on. So what is this L? This is the width of the previous cell, right? So this is the width of x minus 1. So width of x minus 1 is 2 into x minus 1 minus 1, right? So putting this in this, we will have 2 into 2x minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and this plus 2. Okay, so the finally let me write it here. Finally finally our fx is fx minus 1 plus, solving this will become 4 times x minus 1. Okay, so this is the final formula. So let me write it here. So this is 2x 4x and 2x into 3 minus 6 plus 2, right? So this is 4x minus 4, so 4x minus 1, right? So let me write the formula here. Okay, let me write the formula here directly. So the fx is nothing but fx minus 1 plus 4 times x minus 1. Okay, so as you can see, this is the final formula, and we can solve this problem using this formula. So let's let's say f1 base case is f1 equals to 1, right? So we will take this base case f1 equals to 1. So using this formula we can solve this problem in O and time complexity. Okay, but can we somehow optimize this formula, and instead of instead of this series, we find some constant formula in which we just put n and we will find the answer? Can we do that? So let me think. So this is the native approach in which we can solve this problem in O(n) time complexity, but somehow we can solve this problem in O(1). So let me explain to you. So make it a broader series, right? So let's say f x is fx minus 1, which is 4x minus 1 plus fx minus 1. Fx minus 1 is 4x minus 1 plus fx minus 2. This x is let's say x, this is x minus 1. Okay, so if we start from 1, f2 is 1 plus 4 times x minus 1, right? Okay, let me write it here. f2 is so here fx is nothing but x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1. That is the base formula, right? It's minus 1. Now f2 is f1 is nothing but 1. So this is 1 plus 4 times 1 minus 1. f3 is f2, so this is f2, 1 plus 4 times 1 minus 1. So 3 is f2 plus 4 times x minus 1 plus 4 times 2 minus 1. No, so this is 2 minus 1 and this is 3 minus 1, right? Sorry. So, and f4 is this plus 4 times 4 minus 1. So can we get a series? So we can say fn is 1 plus sigma 4x minus 1, and x belongs to 2 से लेके n, right? So x belongs to 2 से लेके n. So this is 2 minus 1, this is 3 minus 1, this is 4 minus 1, then 5, 6, 7, and so on. So this is the formula. Okay. So let's solve this. So answer is fn, which is 1 plus, let's take this 1 out, and what it will be? This will be n, right? Sigma n and plus this 4 sigma x, and this is 4n, sorry. So this is the formula. Now let me write it here. Fn is equals to, what is sigma x? 1. Okay, it's stuck here. 1 plus 4n plus 4 times, what is sigma x? n minus 1, n plus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, right? And one more thing, guys, this is minus 2, right? So this is 4n minus 2, right? Because we have 2 से लेके n, and also here n will become n minus 2. So this is minus, this is minus 2. Okay, minus, so this is, let put 2 in here, minus 4 times 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So this will become 1. Okay, now, so I suggest you solve this formula, and finally what we got our fn equals to 2n square plus minus 2n plus 1. Okay, so this we'll got the final solution, right? So yeah, this is just a simple math. You should solve this and you will get this formula. Okay, now let's code this. Okay, now let's code this. What is the answer? We have to return 1 into 1 long. This is just for creating the long. What is the formula? 2 into n into n minus this is the formula was 2n square minus 2n plus 1, right? 2 into n minus 2 into n plus 1. So yeah, this is getting solved. This is submitted. 100% beat. So guys, I hope you understand this formula well. Thank you for your time. Thank you.